I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history.
Previously on Maddie's Glam Life, I shared with y'all a few tips that you can use in order to get a bigger bum at home. Now these are quick tips, so these are things that you can do in order to quickly improve your bum. Make sure that you check out this video down below. Hey Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button in order to join the Glam fam. I would love to have you a part of the family. On this channel I share a lot of beauty tips, hacks, and tricks, and if you're into those kind of things, you're going to absolutely love it here. So today we're talking about hip dips. A lot of ladies come to me and say, Maddie, your videos have helped me to improve my bum, but what can help me with hip dips? Well, today we're starting off with what causes hip dips, and then I'm going to get more into videos that will help you to fight against those hip dips. Okay, you guys? So today we're talking about hip dips, what causes them, and also a few ways that you can help to fight against them. But first, before we get into this topic, I need for you to hit that thumbs up button. It helps to push the video out into the algorithm. And also leave your girl some stars down below. Hip dips. These are those curves that curve in right at your hips. It's something that a lot of us ladies struggle with, I myself included. One thing that I've learned is this area fluctuates for me. When I lose weight, they come back. When I gain weight, they go away. You guys, this is something that is simply due to genetics most of the time, and something that you more than likely cannot prevent. But is there a few ways to fight against it? Yes, there is. Now, the interest in hip dips or violin hips have definitely doubled over time. You guys, this is a much talked about topic because a lot of women view this as a bad thing or something that they want to improve upon. What are hip dips? Hip dips are naturally occurring inward curves. What causes hip dips is another common question. And this could have to do with an array of things. Like I said, most of the times it simply has to do with genetics. Hip dips are caused by the shape of your pelvis. We are all different in each and every single way, and the way that we may be built can cause for our hips to curve more inward or also curve more outward. Although not everyone has hip dips, if we are all reduced to skeleton size, we'd all have them. Hip dips just so happen to be a normal part of your body structure. Are hip dips good or bad? This can all depend on how you view them, but hip dips have nothing to do with any type of health issues or anything going wrong in your body. It's just simply the way that you are built. And one of the most common misconceptions is that hip dips or not having hip dips is a sign of how healthy you are or are not. That could not be further from the truth. Hip dips are not a sign of being healthy, unhealthy, overweight, or underweight. They are simply due to genetics. Although the amount of body fat that you do or do not have can possibly make your hip dips more noticeable or not as noticeable, which is something that happens in my case. Whenever I gain weight, they tend to fade away. Whenever I lose a lot of weight and I'm on the slimmer side, they are there and visible. Now you can enhance hip dips through exercise, diet, and a lot of other different things. This will help to improve that area and also cause it to become more curvaceous. So if you want to learn different types of workouts in order to fight against those pesky hip dips, stay tuned, girlfriend. I got them coming for you. So we've come to our final verdict in this video. Is it possible to get rid of hip dips? Yes, it very much so is. If you have a specific workout routine that is geared towards getting rid of hip dips, you can improve them in no time. In fact, you'd be surprised how many workouts that are out here that you can do at home with no equipment that will help to improve this particular area. Could it take time? Yes, but it definitely is something that can work in the long run. Squats, lunges, fire hydrants, and a lot of other different exercises will be beneficial for you during this time of combating those hip dips. But until then, don't worry about them. They are not a risk to your health and they are not harming you in any way, shape, or form. Nor do they have to do with any type of health issues. I will also leave some of my favorite workout equipment down below that can help you to fight against these hip dips. And that is all the information that I had to share with you guys on today. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button and also leave your girl some stars down below. Also, share this video with any of your friends that may be suffering with hip dips. We want to get them on the road to feeling like the best them that they can be. So share this video on all of your social media, and I will see you all in my next video. Y'all know what to do. Always remember to keep glamming.